Alright guys, so go right up to where that smoke is. You see that smoke?
Okay.
Wait for me.
Alright, you ready? Alright, everyone here, go in.
Where?
You're going in? This plaster.
Go inside.
Yeah, we're gonna go in. Alright, let's go. Alright, let's go. Alright, follow me over to that door. Alright, honestly guys, I don't even know the pattern here.
I need a flashlight.
I don't even know the pattern here. Put your hook shot on the side or in your bag. Let's go.
Where are you guys?
Just flash the light.
Oh, there's a monster. Don't look at him. Don't look at him.
Just flash the light at the monster.
Alright, let's go. He's going the way we need to go.
Where are you guys?
Back up, back up, back up. Leave him alone. Hey,
Are we going the right way?
I think so, yeah.
No path. He doesn't know the path.
Right's always right.
Right is always right.
Yeah, we're here. Yes! Follow me. I'm sorry,
go?
I'm so bad. Alright, come down here into this tunnel.
Into
This tunnel is so simple. Yeah, follow me.
It's just sewers.
Oh, damn it. Alright, let's go over here. Let's go
Go
over
around
here.
the mimic that's blending into the walls.
I can't see.
Bro, no, this is too scary.
Wait,
What
now
the
follow. Go in the water.
Go to the wall, bro.
Mate, I'm stuck.
Where are you?
Unstuck.
No, I'm not stuck anymore.
Alright, come up. Okay, now we have. This is the hardest part. Alright, one second. Where's my flashlight?
What is that?
What the
Let me
heck is
just
that?
go over. Now wait for him to come over. Back up. Now kill him when he comes over.
Now what is that?
Bro, what the heck?
Boy, get over. There, you're in, everyone in. Now we have to kill him when he comes. Come on, boy. What is taking you so long? Come on. Okay, yes, now come in. Now get in. Now kill him.
Kill it.
Nice. Now follow me, boys. Now follow me.
Another one.
No hook shot. There's another one. Kill him. Oh, let's
With the
go.
power
Now
of
follow me,
friendship.
boys.
Guys, it's just
Follow
a
me.
moving system monster. Think about that.
Follow me. Come on.
We're doing fine.
What the freak?
I think this is where we have to go, sadly.
Yeah, this is the way.
Kill the eye. Kill the eye.
What eye?
How do you kill him?
This isn't a regular cyst monster. It's just a regular.
Oh, it's not invincible.
It's not a regular cyst
Oh.
monster.
You
It's
need a
just-
gun.
Dude, you don't need to kill it. You can't kill it. It's just goop.
It's just.
Yeah,
not-
but it's the eye. You can kill the eye.
Alright, let's
not
go
a
around. Let's
monster.
go around.
Oh.
You can't kill these ones.
Eeny,
Alright, we
meeny,
need to
miny,
find
mo,
another
catch a
way.
tiger by its tail.
Ew!
Ew. That looks like a meatball.
Ouch! Where are you? Come on, follow me. Guys, where are you going?
Over here. Come on.
I'm looking for another way around.
Okay, guys, hold on.
Gotta go,
I actually
gotta
kind of want
go
to keep one of these
around.
nuts. Okay, nope.
Another way.
Okay, so what's the other way? We gotta go.
Oh, he is ugly.
We have to go right there, don't we? We have to go over there.
Yeah, we need to get into there. No, in here, I think.
Yeah, it's in there.
Ew, I can climb.
Because I gave
But
you
looks like a
stuff.
meatball.
I might.
Looks like a meatball.
Really not.
Oh my god, what is that thing?
What the heck?
What is it?
Come here, Tanya. Get up! Get up! Oh, you are so cooked, bro. Bro, you are.
Oh my
Oh
days.
my god. We can't. I'm sorry, we're not going to be able to revive you. If we go on the ground, we're all cooked.
Oh
Speaking
my
of cooked,
god, bro.
there's two of them right
I
there.
almost died.
I'll take one for the team. I'll revive him. Never fucking mind, I'm not reviving you.
He ate the body. He ate the body.
Ew,
Go
they
for
have
it.
hands. Ew, they have hands.
Ah, kill him. Oh, follow me!
Go, 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 go.
No!
You have to revive me. I know the way. Revive me. I'm here. Revive me. No, I know the way. Revive me. Revive me.
Bro, why do you guys keep dying?
Follow me! Follow me!
Wait, what? There's another ghost. There's another ghost. What are you? Oh, I'm sorry, we gotta leave. Guys, there was another ghost. Why did you just
Hell,
leave
man.
him?
What
There
is
was
this
another
shit?
ghost.
Oh,
Let's go, follow me.
is this Stranger Things? What the hell is this?
Bro, why'd you guys not
We've
revive
made
the
it.
ghost
Now
back
we're here.
there? There was a ghost
Exactly.
right there that you could have revived. Bro, you're not reviving.
We need to hop onto that thing. Hop onto that thing. It's gonna be hard though.
Are do those hit us?
They will hurt you. Oh no. I'm alive. I'm alive.
Oh, I made it.
There's this right here.
Where are you? I can't get up. Can I borrow someone's hook shot? Can someone give me a hook shot? I'm stuck. Oh my god! I fell through. It's water. It's water. It's water. It's okay. It's just purple water. I'm in the water. I need a hook shot to get out. We need hook over there. The stairs. There's stairs over here.
Stairs.
Oh. Don't touch me.
The pink stuff is fine to touch. Pink ore. There's pink ore.
Can I mine it with this? I can.
Dude, that is just straight up.
Guys, where are you?
My voice. Oh no, we touched it. Oh gosh.
I will kill you and seize you.
Oh gosh.
Are you guys okay? Did y'all be
No,
done?
where are you? Hey, where are you? Oh. Now, we need to look for the thing. We need to pull out his clothes.
This?
Yes, that. We need one more person. Let's go. Come on. One more. Let's go. Pull it. Pull it.
What?
Pull that. The yellow
Okay, I'm
thing.
dropping my flashlight.
Let's go. Come on.
Do I need both hands on?
Yeah, go on.
Okay, I got
You
my
just
hands
hold
on.
into it.
No, it's going up. Come on.
Come on, mate.
Come on. Welcome
fuck?
to the loading screen. Welcome to the loading screen. Now follow me up here. That's the
Guys, did you see the
loading
version?
screen.
Did you see the version?
Should I open? Did I go in it?
I'm sorry, there's
Go
a
into
monster?
the...
Oh my goodness. My home.
Welcome. Our home, boys.
Oh,
We did it.
hero.
Our poor home. No. The shop is
shop.
gone.
It was
we can't even
stolen.
go in.
No, but this is it. Our home.
Wait, guys, let's try and go to another map.
Can't. I've
Office.
tried that. We can try, but you won't get far.
Critical simulation collapse, I guess.
Collision collapsed. The world broke. I don't know why. I don't know why. Ever since the machines appeared at docks, it broke the game. I will never forget this. Home.
You know
Best
what?
home.
I'm
What?
tired of this.
What?
This place took my home away. It's
Come
time.
up. I'm going
Destroy
up
the
there.
apocalypse.
Come up here.
Wait, he's saying to come up.
I'm not giving up on it now.
We're not giving up on the mission. Guys, it's
Oh
impossible.
my days.
Guys, it's impossible.
It's not. Oh no,
It's a barrier right here,
No,
mate.
like quite
I'm
literally,
sorry.
it is impossible. There's a barrier.
It's a barrier. This is a.
You know what? I'll do it
Strong.
myself. That glitchy thing over there.
No.
Don't do it. We lost one.
Wait.
Don't jump in.